Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the double magic ring. For this tutorial, all you will need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I do already have a video on the regular magic ring and I will have that listed down below. I also have a couple of alternatives and I will have those listed down below as well. So to begin, you're going to take the yarn that you're working with. You're going to put it over the palm of your hand with a long tail facing down. You're then going to wrap that yarn around your hand twice. Turn your hand over. You could see that we now have these two loops and then this is our active yarn. Bring in your crochet hook, put it under those two loops, grab that active yarn we're working with, pull it through as you twist your hand. Hold that yarn in place and take your hand out. So you can see that we have the two loops and then we have the tail. The tail is in the back right now, so you're going to want to bring it through the loop towards the front. This is where we would make chains. So 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to be using double crochets as my example stitch. So I'm going to work 10 double crochets into this loop. So those are my 10 double crochet. You can see that we still have these two loops and we have the tail. So now what you're going to do is you're going to pull the tail slowly to see which loop is connected to the tail. So it's going to be, this is the one that moved. So you're going to now pull this loop from the top near your stitches up here, and you're going to pull it out to close that circle. Now to get rid of this loop, you're going to pull your tail. And this is where you would end your row like normal. You would slip stitch into your stitches to complete your first row. I am going to go over it one more time. So you're going to take your yarn that you're working with, put it over the palm of your hand with the tail facing down, then bring that yarn over your hand twice. Hold that tail in place, flip your hand over, bring in your crochet hook, put it under the first two loops, grab that active yarn that you're working with and pull it through and pull it under those two loops, twist it, and bring your hand over. Grab that yarn, all of it, all loops, and take your hand out. So you can see now that we have the two loops and we have the tail. Bring that tail towards the front through the circle. And then I'm going to make my chains, 3 chains. And then I'm going to start making my 10 double crochet into the circle. And yes, you're going to be working over all 3. So the 2 loops and the tail. I've now made my 10 double crochet. You're going to slowly pull the tail away to figure out which one of these is connected to the tail. So it's going to be this loop right here is the one that moved. So at the top of the loop that just moved, you're going to pull the top of it near your stitches. So right here, and you're going to slowly pull away to close your magic ring up. So now you can see that we have the tail and we still have this loop. So now you're going to pull the tail to close that loop. So that is going to be how to make the double magic ring. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.